Replace discipline with play. And here's why. Here's something wild. It takes about 400 repetitions to wire a new habit into your brain. 400. That's a huge number. That's the grinded out version everyone talks about all the time. And if this is something you have heard before, then listen up because I am gonna give you a different option. Because through play, it only takes 10 to 20 reps. That's it. 10 to 20 repetitions. Because when you're having fun, your brain isn't resisting. It's playing along, literally. It's absorbing. Play isn't the reward for doing the work. Play is the work. It's the shortcut. So why not bring more play into your work? And next time you're trying to build something new, a habit or a skill, a way of leading, whatever it is for you, stop grinding. Start playing. Start experimenting through play. This is not lazy, it's neuroscience. And if this is landing for you, then hit subscribe because I share stuff like this all the time. And give it a like. Thank you.